I collect this girl, but me really know what to tell this girl, I know. Me really know what to tell this girl, but I gotta call somebody who I could call and ask, hey, forget the advice over talk your body come in. Oh, short boss. I could call short boss and he could give me some advice and thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, hello. Hey, short boss, what's going on? You don't need me, you G from up the road, man. I want some advice, yes, man. I want you help me out with a little thing here. So, at the end of the situation, and I want you help me out with it. Yeah, I got help you. You don't need the right person you call, short boss. I gonna bring you the guys class. You don't gotta say a word. I got all the words for you to make the girl then laugh. I make them fall in your hand. You sight me. Yeah, me boy. Aha. You happen, right? I collect this girl number, right? And well, somebody get the number but me how to start a conversation with this girl is like, and what to tell this girl, but somebody tell me that, hey, you could help out, you could help out with that girl is, you could help out the situation, so this is why I call you. Yeah, but hey, help out somebody, man. Alright, good. So everyone up in here, right? You gotta pay for learn. In life, you gotta pay for learn. So everyone up here. You got MMG, right? Send me a 5 grand. This is the least I take. I take a crunch a 5 grand. And I gonna teach you the roots. In life, you gotta pay for learn. You send me and you gonna know everything on how to start a conversation with the girl you site and keep the conversation going and everything. You don't got, in less than 3 minutes and you don't know. So when you call she know and you talk to she, you don't know what's going on and you don't keep the conversation going on thing. You don't just remember you gotta pay for learn, right? Yeah, in life if you wanna learn something, you just gotta pay. It's just like if you're going to do some trade, you gotta pay. You gotta pay for learning the trade. So you gotta pay for learning this class here. Alright, good. So wait, man. Wait saying I gotta pay you just for learning how to talk, yo. I gotta pay you. So wait, oh, this is like a girl's class thing I come in here, so I gotta pay. But alright, here ain't happen. Send me your MMG number and I'm gonna send you the money they just now. Alright, yeah, good. Cause we really like this cat, and it's a nice and proper cat. Then say, use the man, Yeah. Alright, good. Alright, thanks for the help, man. I'm gonna send it just now, yeah. Good. Yeah, I don't receive the money and everything, yes, right? So, yeah, somebody seen it, as you say, somebody seen it, so. It ain't happening, right? You like to often start a conversation with a girl, right? You got this cat and you want to start a conversation, right? Actually, how far she living, where she from, where's your favorite color, and where's your favorite food. And you got to go easy and simple, right? And she ain't falling your hand. Yeah. So you're saying this all I need to know for start a conversation with a girl. Try it and it gonna work, right? Alright, good later. Just actually basically thing though, and I gonna get through and thing. Anyway, thanks for your advice, though, man. Anybody know advice? Want advice and they got no advice? You could send them to me, just follow them step there. Yeah, alright, good. Later. Alright, yeah. I didn't even know if to talk to Cathy myself. And I giving you advice on how to start a conversation with you. But anyhow, there's a business is go on. Thanks for the 5 grand. Cause like all this man is, so see. If I... Hey, hello. What's going on this time? It's me, Short Boss. I want your advice, man. On how for us a girl, how for start a conversation with a girl. Alright, Short Boss, the price for talk girl is 10 grand. Cheap and sweet. You gotta pay for learn. In life you gotta pay for learn, right? 10 grand. $10,000 you charging me? Alright, good. And I just charge him $5 grand.